Dear students, in this video we will find out the value of sine 18 degree and value of cos 36 degree using various identities. So first of all I am starting with sine 18 degree. Okay, let us assume that A is equal to 18 degree. Okay, and we also know that 2a can be written as 5a minus 3a. Algebraically it's correct that 2a is equal to 5a minus 3a. Taking sine of both sides. So sine 2a is equal to sine 5a minus 3a implies that sine 2a is equal to sine, you know, a was 18 degree, so 5a, 18 into 5, 18 into 5, that will become 90 degree, implies that sine 2a is equal to cos 3a. We have used an identity here that sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. So by using this identity, sine 90 degree minus 3a can be written as cos 3a. Now I will apply the identity of sine 2a. The identity of sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a, and identity of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Implies that 2 sine a into cos a as it is. From these two terms we can take cos a common. So 4 cos square a minus 3 will left inside the bracket. Let us cut cos a and cos a. So implies that 2 sine a is equal to 4 cos square a minus 3. 2 sine a is equal to, you can break cos square a as 1 minus sine square a. Again it is an identity that cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a minus 3. Open the brackets. So 2 sine a is equal to 4 minus 4 sine square a minus 3. This implies that 2 sine a is equal to minus 4 sine square a, 4 minus 3, only 1 is left. Now we will transfer these two terms to the left side. So this implies that when minus 4 sine square a will come to the left, then 4 sine square a, after that plus 2 sine a minus 1 equal to 0. So we have obtained a quadratic equation in terms of sine a. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2 and c equal to minus 1. Now let us apply quadratic formula to find the value of sine a from here. Sine a is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It is quadratic formula. This was quadratic equation in terms of sine a, that's why we will use sine a here. Implies that sine a is equal to minus b is 2 plus minus square root b square 2 square will be 4 minus 4ac. So multiply 4 with minus 1, minus 4, so plus 4 upon 2a. a is 4, so 2 4s are 8. Implies that sine a is equal to minus 2 plus minus, it is square root 20 upon 8. Sine a is equal to minus 2 plus minus, 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Square root of 4 will be 2, So square root 20 has been written as 2 root 5 upon 8. If I take 2 common from here, and if I take 2 common, then minus 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 8. Next step implies that sine A is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 5 upon 4. These are two results, and we are writing those results separately by taking plus sign and minus sign. If I use plus sign, then minus 1 plus root 5 upon 4 and sine A is equal to minus 1 minus under root 5 upon 4. Do you remember what is A in this question? A is 18 degree, and 18 degree is an angle of the first quadrant, and in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Since this value is completely negative, so we will say that this answer is not possible, because 18 degree is in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, so sine 18 degree cannot be negative. That's why we will reject this answer and we will accept only this one. In this calculation, A means 18 degree, and if I write it in a proper way, so root 5 minus 1 upon 4. So this is the value of sine 18 degree which we have obtained by using various identities. On the second number, I will find out the value of cos 36 for you. Cos 36 degree. See, we have an identity that cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. It is one of many identities. Let us put a equal to 18 degree, then it will become cos 36 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree. Now if I put the value of sine 18 degree here, then I can easily obtain the value of cos 36 degree. What was the value of sine 18 degree? You have obtained the value of sine 18 degree just before it. What was the value of sine 18? It was square root 5 minus 1 upon 4 whole square is equal to 1 minus 2, open the whole square of it, root 5 square is 5, 1 square is 1, then minus 2 root 5. Which formula I have used? A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and 4 square is 16. 1 minus, by this 2 you can cut 16 8 times, it is 6 minus 2 root 5. Taking LCM, 8 will be LCM, multiply 8 here and open this bracket, so minus 6 plus 2 root 5. 8 minus 6 is 2, so 2 root 5, and 8 minus 6 is 2 upon 8. If I take 2 common and cut 8, then I will get cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 upon 4. So